Hare Krishna. So Krishna further extols the Karma Yoga concept. Today we have the 8th verse of the 3rd chapter, wherein Krishna says, Niyatam kuru karmatvam karmajyayo hi akarmanah sharira yatra pichyate na prasiddhyed akarmanah. Perform your prescribed duty, for doing so is better than not working. One cannot even maintain one's physical body without work. So we see, even to maintain one's basic body, one must act. Yes, in Sanskrit there is a very beautiful Subhashit which says that to do one's activities, one must work. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि, परिश्रम से ही कार्य सफल होते हैं. न मनोरथैः, केवल मनगढ़ंत ख्याली पुलाव से कार्य सफल होते हैं क्या? नहीं. न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य, अगर कोई शेर भूखा है और वो अगर सोच के कि अरे मैं तो जंगल का राजा हूं, मैं बस मुंह खोल के सो जाऊंगा तो एक हिरन अपने आप अपने मेरे मुंह के अंदर अपनी मुंडी डाल देगा. श्रील प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं एट द मोस्ट वो उस शरीर के मुंह के अंदर सुसु करके चला जाएगा. सो नहीं सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः, उस शेर को भी अपना शिकार पकड़ने के लिए मेहनत करनी ही पड़ेगी. सो वन कैन नॉट शाय अवे फ्रॉम वर्क. This is the first basic thing. Even to maintain myself, I must work. But then, to transcend that concept of work, using spirituality as a leeway. Yes, there are many professional Bhagavad reciters, so many professional Kathakars who charge hefty amount just to sit on Vyasasana and give talk. And then you will see, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 people are attending, and the way they describe Krishna's katha, people are crying. और हमें लगेगा वाह वाह क्या कथा चल रही है. लेकिन क्या वो कथा पैसे के एवज में आ रही है? तो अगर पैसे के एवज में आ रही है तो उसका कोई उपयोग नहीं है. One should never do Krishna's katha or Krishna's service with a business motive. And the third class way of maintaining oneself is to make a mockery of spiritual activities and to maintain family. Srila Prabhupada says that when he was a small young boy, his father, Shri Gaur Mohan De, he used to invite many sadhus to his home to feed. And when they would have been sufficiently fed, he would ask, please bless my child, that he should become a very good devotee of Radharani. And Prabhupada says he knew some of these people. He says one particular sadhu, he used to show himself as a sadhu. He used to beg whole day, and in the night he used to go to his wife and children to share whatever he had gotten begging, and that's how he maintained himself. So this is not the correct way. Even Tukaram Maharaj, he says, Bhiksha marg avalambane म्हणे जीणे लाजिरवाणे ऐसी आसी नारायणे उपेक्षिते सर्वथा पांडुरंग 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 पांडुरंग. हो अगर अभी मैं एक गृहस्थ हूं तो मैं भक्ति का आश्रय लेके मेरे परिवार को पाल नहीं सकता. एंड yesterday what we discussed, that there was a street sweeper whom she saw 2-3 people coming and she immediately covered her head with pallu. Srila Prabhupada says that Bhangi is better than these people who are making a mockery of speaking for maintaining family. Yeah. So Arjuna is forgetting that he is a grihastha. Arjuna is forgetting that he is a military general. So because of these things, he is already in certain kind of situations. I cannot artificially change a situation. Yes. We see in Lord Chaitanya's Leela also, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was visiting Kurma Kshetra, He had gone for Harinam Prachar in South India. He began his entire journey from Kurmakshetra, which is today called Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh. So there he met one Brahmana who was very attracted to Lord Chaitanya, and he asked Lord Chaitanya, can I come with you? Can I join with you? I am fed up with materialistic life. I don't want to be in my house now. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, no, rather you chant Hare Krishna, you preach Hare Krishna, and wherever you are, be happy. That's the way you should progress in life. So he never ever advocated false renunciation. So Krishna says that in similar way, performing one's prescribed duty is far better than not working. So Srila Prabhupada says, what is Karma Yoga? Karma Yoga is, the best Karma Yoga is, you do everything for Krishna. That we have seen in the second chapter also. Do everything for Krishna. If not 100%, 50%. If not 50%, 25%. If not 25%, 10%. Nothing, just 1%. Begin with 1%. Neha vikramana ashosti pratyavayo na vidyate. Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Little endeavor that we put in this path never goes waste. We must do our duty and try our best to give maximum to Krishna. This is Karma Yoga. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna